Welcome to the Transit Centre at Pye Motors here in Morecambe. This is the brand new Ford Transit Premium Dropside. This is the 350 130 PS L3 H1. Now, as you can see, I've got the Dropsides down at the moment. Let me show you how to work those. Very simple mechanism, very cleverly thought out. You simply pick up the Dropside with these clips on the side, push them down and lock them into place. Now there's one at both ends, and that mechanism there, when you lift it up, clunks down, and that's solidly in place there. Same goes for all the other sides. It's a really handy vehicle, and lots of uses. The rear Dropside panel also has these carabiners here and the fasteners, so you'd have to drop that down all the way. Again, makes it slightly more practical depending on what you're needing it for. So again, another handy little feature of this smashing van. Now with all the Dropsides up, you can see what it looks like. So it's the L3, so you get that extra bit of wheelbase, carry slightly more loads. And there's the dual rear wheels there, and a handy little step for getting into there. Moving inside the vehicle, you've also got that handy little screen there. You can get your DAB radio on that. You've got Bluetooth connectivity for your phone as well. Steering wheel controls there to go through the trip computer, as well as all your media and your telephone there. You can do that all hands-free. As with the Transit range, lots and lots of space and cubbies, all that additional storage. There's also space underneath the passenger seats there for anything you may need. So that's the brand new Ford Transit Dropside. This one's the 130 PS rear wheel drive L3 H1 version of the vehicle. If you need any more information on this vehicle or any quotes to arrange any test drive, just give us a call on 01524 598 598. We'll be happy to help.